Hi guys, it's Hana Craft.
Let's go.
Let's see which mom and daughter duo will get the most money.
I won't lie like this. I don't wanna hide everything like
Elsa's family, $500.
Don't kiss. I feel my body giving.
Yes!
You want my heart, baby. You say it don't faze me, but oh no, that's not how I think. You make my mind hazy. I know it sounds crazy, but maybe we could be a thing.
Elsa's family picks stylish mid-range clothes, cute but simple.
It's for life with you. My God is telling me don't go, so won't you stay a while, stay a while? Who knew that we could end up super close? You want my heart, baby. You say it don't faze me, but oh no, that's not how I think. You make my mind hazy. I know it sounds crazy, but maybe we could be a thing. I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, take a look, tell me what you think.
Okay.
One shot to a lifetime, give you my all. Yeah, one shot, make it hot. One shot, one shot. I don't wanna be friends no more. I wanna run my eyes if you raise that score. Go one hot, gotta shoot your shot, better make a start, give it all you got and jump into the deep and make it last a lifetime. Baby, you make me feel so complete. I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me
Elsa
what
is
you
classy
bring. No, no,
and
don't
elegant.
stop, take a look, tell me what you think.
Yes!
One shot to a lifetime. Give you my all, yeah, one shot, make it hot.
Let's go!
Okay.
And Draculaura's family? Oh no, only $10.
Talking, but I'm tongue-tied. Speaking to my heart, in and
Okay.
For Draculaura's family, they only afford torn clothes.
looking to my left, right. Talking, but I'm tongue-tied. Speaking to my heart, in and out of
Okay.
Oh no! Get ready, let's go!
Wow, they got $1,000.
Yes!
Barbie's family grabs fancy pink dresses, S honey bags, and golden heels.
Oh!
So, who's your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Hana Craft.
Great!